Rohit, today is the almost the second last day of the campaigning. How it has been going on for the past few days?
The response has been good all throughout the city, and yeah, it's good. What does it say? Yeah.
Any ups, this message or anything that people have told you, the voters have told you?
How was the response of people?
Huh. No, see now, I just want to appeal to them. See, there are a lot of external issues that have appeared that have no relation to the corporation, right? You have the casino issue that again is not within the purview of the corporation. Opposition has said the same thing also, and other issues that are not related to this election, right? I just want to appeal to people to basically look at the development work that has happened around them and everything else that the corporation has done also, right? So, and not based on emotion alone. See, a lot of people will promise you a lot of things, but those people have no track record of getting anything done. Right now, they're all empty promises. And I just want to appeal to people to look at the past 5 years and all everything that we have accomplished and are yet to accomplish in the coming years. Yeah, that's it.
But moving around, what is the feel you get?
No, the
Is it
feedback has been good. See, like I said, the only issues that we've had have been issues that are not related to the corporation. The casinos are with certain segment of thing, but not a lot of people. Businesses have been very open and supportive. Apart from that, again, you have minor issues that are related to each ward. Those can be all be resolved. They're not very difficult problems.
so positive in forming the ground?
Yeah, obviously.
So we have seen MP Captain Virato Yuri when he campaigning for Panjim election. So it will affect.
No, not really. See, they are tourists in this area, right? I mean, they are coming basically just to support their candidates. Their candidates also have not done any work in the constituency, right? So they went to Santome and all. That person has no history in Santome. I mean, he has awareness of the issues. That's what people have told him. But apart from that, I doubt he has the thing to solve any of those issues. So see, based on what the residents have asked us, we have deployed security. I mean, I myself have deployed it. I mean, even though the issue has not been caused by the corporation, we have to do whatever it takes to resolve the issues of the people, right? So I have called in favors from friends of mine and everything, and we have provided security, and we've given a commitment to those people also, right? That we will resolve all the issues within the next 8 months. So I'm hoping they take cognizance of it and they are supportive towards what we can do. Because as of now, the opposition has promised a lot of stuff, but not done anything. I mean, their own leader basically doesn't come out of his house unless it's election time. So yeah, we've been on the ground consistently and frequently, and yeah, we hope people notice it.
Tell us about your own ward. How it is? Confident? Oh, confident.
Yeah, my what see, we've been working. See, I'm saying that because we've been working throughout, right? It's not like we've taken a holiday for 4 years and then all of a sudden we come to the ward, right? See, we are not like these people. Now, whenever there's an issue, for example, even in this ward, there were issues with sewage, there were issues with water, and we've rectified all those issues, right? So we are responsive to what the people need. We don't have to promise anything because we are currently doing all of those things, right? There are certain issues that have taken time, but we will resolve all those issues. So yeah, that's it.
The opposition is asking for from voters to give them full majority. You feel?
No, but see, okay, I'll give you a bit. See, I will not speak as a politician, right? Even if I'm a voter. Now, if I'm a voter, I'll ask you simple questions, right? One is, where have you been for 5 years? You've not been there, okay. Second is, you come only during election time with promises. Have you done any of those or attempted? You've not done any of those things. If you look at their manifesto also, it's basically either what we are currently working on or something that they basically got off the internet. And it's not, I mean, I don't mean, I mean, yeah, I don't know what to say about them also.
Okay. What is the last thing? The message that you would give?
No,
like
I
to
would just like to appeal to people to look at the work that we've done so far. See, it's not been smooth sailing by all means. I'm not saying that also. There have been issues. But we've resolved all those issues and Panjim has come out for the better. I don't know, people used to talk about how flooding was basically impossible, and 2 out of those 5 years, Panjim has not flooded. Even the opposition also didn't. I got a call from the opposition guys also, and they were like, listen, you are not giving us anything to complain about. So, see, we are working towards things. See, this year, my priority is going to be traffic issues, which I think which is huge actually, and quality of life, right? So we want to get together different members, different sections of society, see what their issues are related to, but to their personal issues, and we want to resolve that and go forward with that. So that's about it.
thank you.
Yeah. Okay.